Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we will take a look at LG refrigerator repairs and why is it hard to find a service company. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Have you found yourself calling repair companies trying to find someone to service your LG refrigerator, only to find that most of them are telling you that they don't service them? So, what's the deal? Why is it so difficult to find service for your LG fridge? After speaking with several service companies across the country, there seems to be a common reason a lot of them won't service these refrigerators. And it seems to be sealed system issues, mostly on models from between 2014 through to 2021. So, what is a sealed system issue? And why do some service companies avoid LG fridges because of this? A sealed system issue is when either the condenser, evaporator, or refrigerant tubing becomes faulty. These components carry the refrigerant throughout the fridge, so when something goes wrong, it becomes a pretty substantial problem. Sealed system repairs take a lot of expensive specialized equipment. Many companies have not invested in this equipment, nor the training to complete these types of repairs. LG refrigerators are fairly common to have sealed system issues. In fact, there's a class action lawsuit for many of their older products due to sealed system failures. If you happen to own an LG refrigerator that was manufactured between 2014 and 2017, you may be entitled to compensation between $50 to more than $3,500 as part of a class action lawsuit LG settled in 2020. LG claims to have resolved the compressor issue on their newer models, so you might find more service companies coming around to fix these appliances in the near future. If you have a sealed system failure or can't find a company to service your LG refrigerator, it is advisable to contact LG directly, as they might be able to recommend a company in your area to complete this repair. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.